Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we are taking a look at a brand new 2024 Big Country 3900 MO fifth wheel by Heartland RV. This is a rear living room, mid-bunk fifth wheel. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside of this RV here. So let's step up on into the inside. We did the Cedar Creek mid-bunk fifth wheel yesterday, so check out that video if that might interest you as well. Now we're going to step into the Heartland Big Country here, kind of show you what this one's all about. So the unit has kind of the gray tone woods. You have freestanding table with a couple chairs. Does have that woven material on the slide floor instead of carpet. Theater seat here does have the little lights built in, heat and massage. Also has a phone charger in the top centerpiece there, a little bit of storage as well. Nice big windows with pull down blackout shades. Large trifold sofa across the back that will flip out, make into a bed, so you could sleep a couple adult guests back here as well. You have electric outlet and USB charger port on each side of the sofa. Decent amount of overhead cabinet space. 110 volt ceiling fan instead of 12 volt. We have a Coleman ducted AC right there. Electric fireplace, which is basically just a fancy electric space heater. You also have a little sound bar down there. Insignia TV. Now there is a little thing here on the side, if I can get it to open here by one hand. We have a little hidden storage back in behind the TV. And a pretty good amount of cabinet space across the top part here as well. You do have magnetic holders on your doors. Heat ducts coming out the side of the island there instead of the floor. Solid surface countertops. You have 4 drawers and quite a bit of storage underneath of the island as well. There's an electric outlet there, high-rise spring sprayer faucet, and then you also have a large undermount sink there with the little strainer cover. Currently using the Suburban oven. 3-burner cooktop, flip down glass lid to give you a little more counter space. Samsung microwave. They are currently using an Insignia refrigerator, residential style fridge. So you got the freezer on bottom, refrigerator part on top. This one has a second Coleman AC right there. In here we have another trifold sofa. This will flip out and make into a bed. Kind of a little desk area set up here if you wanted to use it for that. There's a backer in the wall, so you could put a TV up here if you wanted to. Might even use this as a small office space if you're a work from home kind of person. A little bit of shelf space. On the side of the island down there, you have your propane leak detector. Now, when you first walk in the RV, you are basically kind of looking at a little coat closet here. Not real deep, but you could probably hang you 2 or 3 coats in there. And then just up above here, we have a little hidden control panel. So you have your Furrion on-demand water heater, turbo exhaust fan control here, 12-volt tank heater buttons, some light switches, more light switches, awning button, slide buttons, water pump button, monitor panels for your holding tanks. So quite a few little things in this area. There are motion lights at your steps, electric box with the breakers and fuses down there, digital thermostat for one of your ACs and your propane furnace. Little ladder here takes you up into a loft area right here. And there's an electric outlet, USB charger ports back there as well. A huge window here overlooking the campsite or awning side of the RV. Again, pull down roller shade. So over here on the left, we're going to have our bathroom area, and you have the sliding door here for privacy. But just kind of starting from the floor up, you have porcelain foot flush toilet, couple drawers, some storage, nice big sink area, and some counter space there as well, along with a large medicine cabinet setup. Vent fan up here, AC duct in here as well. And you have a really big step-in shower area right here. Has a little skylight up above, also a light in there as well. And that nicer shower head system that we're starting to see in about all the bigger fifth wheels nowadays. And then up into the master bedroom area. So another motion light down there. You have a light switch on the side of your dresser area there. There's a backer again in the wall, so you can do a TV here if you want. TV hookups on the ceiling. It is also set up with the WineGuard Connect gateway. This is an option on some or an aftermarket feature on some as well. But basically that is the TV antenna on the RV is a WineGuard Air 360 Plus, which can bring in internet connectivity when you use the gateway and subscribe to, say, like AT&T or Verizon. But that's basically built into this RV, where a lot of them you would either not be able to do that from the factory, or you would have to do it aftermarket. But here, it is a standard feature they're currently doing. Third air conditioner right there. Camper king bed. The bed will raise up. There's storage underneath of that bed as well. Decent amount of room to maneuver around. You have electric outlet and USB charger ports on both sides of the bed as well. Another digital thermostat over there. Couple electric outlets down here. You have a little shelf space in here, hanging closet bar. And over here on the right side, you have room for a combo or stackable washer dryer. And you have a window there. And remember, folks, please be sure to check out the people at Couch's RV Nation. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV if you're interested. So we're going to step outside here real quick. I want to show you around the outside of this RV also. So going on out, we do have a white fiberglass exterior attached to an upgraded Azdel composite material instead of a wood Luan backer. Aluminum studded foam block insulated sidewalls. You have a lower black metal skirting. You have two 30-pound propane tanks, one on each side. You'll see the other one we get over there. There is a pretty good size storage compartment area right here. Jack controls up there. TV hookups out here if you wanted to do a TV. Inverter button. And you also have a solar charge controller for the solar panel that's on the roof. Just down below, you have the little pet-friendly leash latch holder and an electric outlet there also. Right here, you will see a little advertisement sticker referring to the 3-year limited structural warranty. Not all RVs have this. Some RVs only have a 1-year structural warranty. So it don't really sound like a whole lot in the RV industry, but it actually is. Power awning, LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV, adjustable arms for tilting. On around to the front side here, you have a pretty bubbled out front cap. They do have a little better turning radius as well. Curt Rotoflex pen box. You could do a generator down in the lower compartment if you wanted to. They do offer gen prep. You have a little area up here. Right here you have your inverter, some battery disconnects, some of the wiring guts of the RV, batteries in here, hydraulic reservoir for the hydraulic jacks that's on the RV. The RV basically has a 6-point hydraulic auto level jack system. So it's a little bit stronger, faster, a little more reliable than the electric systems. But it is definitely something that is a nice bonus feature to have on these large fifth wheels. Now right here, you're going to have some little informational stickers. These are important stickers. Basically tells you production date, VIN number, axle sizes, but most importantly here, gross vehicle weight. 16,500 pounds. That's the most you can load the RV up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Tire sticker basically telling you ST 255 85 R16 E-range tires. With a 80 cold PSI. Very important to keep up with that. Cargo carrying capacity sticker here, basically telling you, your water weights and all that type of stuff. And overall, you would have a 2,060 pound cargo carrying capacity after your water. There's a unloaded vehicle weight sticker I'll show you when we get back over to the door side. I forgot they put theirs on the door and not over here like Forest River does. So there is the pressure regulator right there, auto changeover, the other side of your storage area. You have electric outlet, a light in here, hot and cold outside utility shower, city water inlet where you can direct the water flow using those colored valves there. Black tank flush, cable satellite inlets are all right there. Couple dump handles, water filtration system. Your Furrion on-demand water heater, furnace exhaust out right there. And then it is also prepped for side cameras. There's one on each side, and then it'll be prepped on the back as well. You'll see that when we get to the back section. Now, one thing to consider that you could do aftermarket is slide-out awning covers. That is one thing that the person that did the Cedar Creek, this was the Cedar Creek we did yesterday, and that customer put slide-out toppers on top of their room. They help shade and repel a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris. This is what they look like when they don't have them, but again, you can put them on there if that interests you. Talk with your salesperson about that. Nice thing to consider. Dump area comes out right here. You can see the blue and red line down there. That's your hot and cold low point water drains. Oh, one other thing I did forget to mention. Let's back up here a second. I always forget about this. It's new. This right here has the Dexter Tow Assist. It's ABS brakes and sway system. This is a really nice feature right here. Some brands are starting to do ABS brakes, but they don't have the integrated sway system. This little sensor here kind of lights up, telling you what's going on as well. But that is another really nice feature that they are adding to the Big Country for 2024. Just kind of looking down below here, you can see the CRE 3000 center point suspension. Nice upgrade there as well, just kind of acts as a shock absorber. Currently riding on Goodyear Endurance tires. You have kind of the blackout aluminum wheels, drum brakes, easy lube hubs. Freshwater tank drain in the back there next to your spare tire under the bottom. There's also a stove exhaust vent up there. Powered power cord reel comes out right there. Traditional flat back rear end. There's a little 2-inch hitch receiver there. That basically is to, like, say, put a bike rack or a little luggage rack. It is not meant to tow anything with. In the top center there is wiring for that rear observation camera. If you wanted to add that, talk with your salesperson about that. Nice safety feature. The black rectangle up there is prepping for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder. That right there would allow you to telescope a ladder up and attach it on right there. And when you're not using it, fold it up, throw it in a storage compartment, not have to worry about your kids climbing up and down, falling off and getting hurt. But overall, a nice new look for the early 2024 versions. All right, guys, thanks again for taking the time to watch my RV videos. If you did watch the Cedar Creek video yesterday that we posted up, let me know. What do you think? Do you like the look of the Big Country? Do you like the look of the Cedar Creek? Which would you prefer? Thanks again.